Yeah, for the past 3 years here in SRPO, we have dismissed more than 711 police personnel. Ito yung sibak na serbisyo. And we also demoted more than 190 personnel and caused the suspension of more than 1,300. So ito nga yung effort natin. Pero sa ngayon kasi, we are monitoring our own men. And we believe that the discipline now ng ating mga pulisan, ibang-iba yan 3 years ago. But still, for those who are attempting to do irregular things, o itong mga irregularities, naandyan ang ating mga kababayan para mag-report sa atin. Just this morning, we presented 2 police personnel who were involved in robbing itong pagnanakaw or extorting itong supposed to be suspect turned victim. At yun ay ginagawa natin dahil ang ating intensyon is linisin ang ating hanay. Alam mo, yung ating ginagawang intensified cleanliness policy.